So let's start. Good afternoon, my lovely students. How are you all? I hope everyone is good. Okay, students. So today we will continue our lesson number 4. The name of this chapter is the verb and its kinds. So yesterday we'll discuss about the verb and its kinds. Yes. So firstly we will discuss about the verb. Okay. After that we will revise. We will revise the transitive or intransitive verb, and after that we will do the exercise of this chapter. So let's start. Yes. Now, student, what is a verb? Yes, words which tell us what people or things are doing. जो भी verb होती है वो हमको बताते हैं कि जो people और जो thing है वो क्या कर रहे हैं. Okay, so these are the verbs. In the simple way, we can say as a action words. Okay, so let's understand from this sentence. Raman runs. Fish swim in the river. Girls dance. Fire burns. Okay, in the first sentence you notice the word run. Say something about Raman. जो verb है, जो verb as a runs है, जो वो किसके बारे में बता रहा है? रमन के बारे में. In the second sentence the word dance. Yes, the girls dance. जो dance है किसके बारे में बता रहा है? Yes, something tell us about the girls. Yes, in the third sentence swim. Yes, fish swim in the river. Say something about fish. Yes, in the number 4 sentence word burns. Say something about fire. हमको किसके बारे में बता रहा है? Fire burns. तो जो burns है, swim है, dance है, runs है, वो किसके बारे में बता रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स? Yes, subject के बारे में. Yes, जो भी words which tell us what people or things are doing are called verbs. ये हमको क्या बताते हैं? जो काम करते हैं, जो काम वो हम क्या बताते हैं? क्या है ये verb है? ये क्या है? इसको हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं स्टूडेंट? As a क्रिया बोलते हैं. Clear students? Okay, so let's discuss the transitive or intransitive verb. Okay. Yes, so you know that there are two kinds of verb, transitive verb and intransitive. First, so we will revise again. Yes, transitive verb, a verb that requires an object to complete its sense is called a transitive verb. A verb को sense को complete करने के लिए हमको किसकी जरूरत होती है? Object की. तो वो क्या कहलाती है? As a transitive verb. Clear? For example, the tailor made shirts. Yes, the tailor made what? tailor ने क्या बनाया? तो the tailor made, तो अब हम ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ पर राइट डाउन नहीं करेंगे तो सेंटेंस क्या होगा? इनकम्प्लीट होगा, सेंस कंप्लीट नहीं होगा. तो हियर वी हैव टू रिक्वायर एज अ ऑब्जेक्ट इन दिस सेंटेंस. जिस सेंटेंस में ऑब्जेक्ट की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, अ वर्ब्स दैट रिक्वायर एन ऑब्जेक्ट, जिस वर्ब को ऑब्जेक्ट की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, वर्ब कहलाती है हमारी ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट वर्ब इज हियर एज अ इनट्रांजिटिव वर्ब, अ वर्ब दैट डज नॉट रिक्वायर एन ऑब्जेक्ट but makes good sense by itself is called an intransitive verb. देखिए हमारा जो भी सेंटेंस है वो अपने आप में कंप्लीट हो जाता है, हमें ऑब्जेक्ट की जरूरत नहीं होती, तो वो कहलाती है हमारी intransitive verb. I am giving you another example as the sun shines. S-H-I-N-E-S. Clear student? So here in the sentence is complete. We doesn't require an object. हमको requirement नहीं है object. The sentence is complete, understandable. So this is the example of intransitive verb. Clear student? So let's start the exercise of your chapter. Exercise number 1. Yes, student. The exercise is related to being verbs. You know about the being verbs? Yes, I'm repeating again. The words am, are, is. Yes, tell us what something or someone is. देखिए being verb होती है, means being means क्या होता है? होना. देखिए I am a teacher, मैं teacher हूँ. You are a student, तुम student हो. You are a children. Okay, so we are farmers, हम farmers हैं. मतलब किसी के होने के बारे में बताया जाता है, वो क्या कहलाती है? हमारी being verb. So now here are the example of being verbs as am, is, are, was, were, be, being and being also. Clear? Now example, I am late today. So here I am using a being verb कि मैं आज late हूँ. She is 18 years old. वो क्या है? 18 year old की है. Where are you going? आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? So here are is here as a being verb. Clear student? मतलब being verb वो होती है जो किसी के होने के बारे में बताती है. So let's start the exercise. Exercise number 1. Now study the 4 pictures given below. Then complete the blanks in the dialogue below with be verbs and or has them. हमको be verbs use करने. Be verbs as is, are, am, was, were हो सकती है. And has or have. Has or have means क्या होता है? जहाँ पर हमारा कोई possession है. Okay, if subject is singular, we use as a have. If the subject is plural, we use have. Clear students? So let's start. Number 1 sentence, hello, I dash Anurag. I wake up at 6 o'clock. तो हम लिखेंगे यहाँ पर hello, I am Anurag. So you have to write here as a I am Anurag. Clear student? So you have to write like that. Now next, move on the next page. Now number second sentence, I dash a friend. So you here हम लिखेंगे, yes, we have to write here, yes, I have a friend. मेरे पास दोस्त है. Yes, मेरा एक दोस्त है. Her name is Anuja. Yes, उसका नाम क्या है? Yes, Anuja. Number third sentence, she dash breakfast at 8 o'clock. अब she has breakfast. Here we have to write has. Clear? Next sentence, she swims every morning. Clear? Number third, Anuja dash a brother. अब Anuja का एक brother, तो here Anuja is a brother. No, where here we have to write Anuja has a brother. His name, उसका नाम क्या है? Yes, Avinash. His name is Avinash. Clear? So they dash a pet dog called Joy. So here we have to write they have a pet dog called Joy. Avinash jogs with Joy in the park every day. Clear students? Okay. So now let's start the another exercise of this chapter, exercise number 2. So these exercises are related to a saying verbs. So firstly, you have to know about the saying verbs. Yes, verbs also tell us what people are saying, thinking and feeling. हमको पता चलता है कि जो लोग क्या कह रहे हैं, क्या सोच रहे हैं, क्या फील कर रहे हैं, वही हमारी क्या कहलाती है? saying verbs. For example, I promise I will help you. मैं promise कर रहा हूँ कि मैं तुम्हारी मदद करूंगा, मतलब बोल रहा है, बता रहा है ना? I think, अब क्या कर रहा है? think कर रहा है, सोच रहा है. This is a good idea. Number third, you can see I love strawberry ice cream. तो वो फील कर रहा है कि मेरे को जो स्ट्रॉबेरी आइसक्रीम मुझे बहुत ही पसंद है. Okay students, so saying, thinking and feeling. So such verbs are called saying verbs. Okay, let's start the exercise number 2. Underline the verbs. आपको verbs पे underline करना है. Write in the brackets A for action verbs. तो आपको जो bracket के अंदर A लिखना है किसके लिए? action verbs के लिए. And S for saying verbs. और S लिखना है आपको as a, अगर वो verbs अगर saying होगी तो आपको S write करना है. Clear? One is done for you. Okay, there may be more than one verb in a sentence. अब आपको ये भी ध्यान रखना है कि एक sentence के अंदर एक से ज्यादा verb भी हो सकती है. So let's find out. Number 1 sentence. The boy cleans his plate and puts it on the shelf. Okay, so here you have to write here, yes, A is here as a action verbs. Action क्या हो रहा है? The boy cleans his plate. Clean कर रहा है तो action कर रहा है ना, clean कर रहा है, साफ कर रहा है तो action हो गया. Put मतलब रख रहे हैं. Put it on the shelf. ये जो plates हैं उसको कहाँ पर put कर रहे हैं? रख रहे हैं, shelf पर रख रहे हैं. तो ये क्या होगी हमारी? Action verbs होगी. Now number second sentence. I come from Chennai. So I come. Come is here as a verb. Come क्या होगी? So you have to underline. Yes. Come is here as a, you have to underline is here. Come is here as a, yes. Now this is a verb. Yes, this is the action verb. ये क्या है? Come means आना जाना, जो भी हमारा जो आना है, मतलब आ रहे हैं हम, तो वो क्या होगी? हमारी एक्शन होगी. Number third, friend whispered, come with me to the kitchen. Yes, whispered is here. Yes, a verb. Whispered means क्या होता है? धीरे से कुछ बोलना, सुनाना. तो here whispered. Come with me to the kitchen. अब whispered धीरे से कुछ सुनाना, तो here this is also a action verb. ये भी क्या होगी आपकी? Action verb होगी. Okay. Now next one. My sister baked a big chocolate cake. Baked is here as a verb. Baked क्या होगी यहाँ पर? As a verb होगी. So here this is a baked. तो अब baked भी क्या है student? Yes, action. Action verb है ये. So here we have to write only A. Number fifth sentence. The picture looks very nice. अब looks, अब आपको बताना है कि looks क्या है? Yes, कोई action हो रहा है इसके अंदर? No, action तो नहीं हो रहा. तो हमको सिर्फ हम यही बता रहे हैं कि picture बहुत ही अच्छी दिखती है. तो here firstly underline the verb is here looks. Now this verb will which category? Action verb or saying verbs? Yes, this is saying verbs. ये क्या है? Saying verbs है. कोई एक्शन तो नहीं हो रहा है इसके अंदर. ओके. नंबर 6 सेंटेंस. द अर्थ रिवॉल्व्स राउंड द सन. तो फर्स्टली यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई. यस, रिवॉल्व्स इज हियर एज अ वर्ब. नाउ आइडेंटिफाई द वर्ब एज अ सेइंग और एक्शन. यस, दिस इज अ एक्शन. एक्शन हो रहा है ना, रिवॉल्व्स हो रही है ना. सो हियर यू हैव टू राइट ए. नंबर 7 सेंटेंस. द विंड हॉल्ड इन द स्टॉर्मी नाइट. Okay, so you have to write as a verb is here. Oh yes, Underline the owl. HOWLET. So now this is a action. Action मतलब काम हो रहा है, तो here we have to write as a A. Number 8 sentence. My father drives his car to office every day. So identify the verb. Verb is here as a drives. क्या है यहाँ पे? Drives. Okay. So now this verb. Yes. Is it action or saying? Yes. It is a action. Yes. We have to write A for action. I love football. कोई action हो रहा है बेटा इसमें? No, action नहीं हो रहा. So firstly, remember that you have to notice, identify the verb is here as a love. Love is a verb, but this is a saying verb. Okay. You have to write S. Number 10 is here. This video game is very expensive. So video game is very expensive. Is here as a verb. Okay, I told you before. Okay, is here as a verb. So is here as an action verb? No, this is a saying verb. Here, student. Now move on the next exercise. Now next exercise is related to a has or had. Yes, has, have, had are verbs which show possession. क्या शो करती हैं वो? आपको possession शो करती है. Possession means क्या होता है? चीज जिसके ऊपर अपना अधिकार होता है. Yes, for example, I have a pen. ये पेन देखिए मेरा है, तो मेरा क्या है? इसके ऊपर अधिकार है. तो here I use as a verb as a have. Clear? She has some new story books. उसके पास कुछ नई story books हैं. So here we write has. Why we write has here? Okay, because our subject is singular. क्योंकि हमारा subject singular है. So here we use as a have. Now next third sentence. They had some new stamps which were stolen. उसके पास कुछ new stamps थी, मतलब उसका possession था उसके पास, लेकिन which were stolen, लेकिन वो चुरा ली गई. अब word से हमको identify हो रहा है कि हमारा पास्ट को इंडिकेट कर रहा है, तो पास्ट को इंडिकेट करते हैं जो अभी हम यूज करेंगे एज अ हैड. हैड तो हम यूज करेंगे एज अ पोजेशन के लिए. देखिए, तो हमारा जो पोजेशन है, सिंगुलर वर्ब के लिए हम हैज यूज करेंगे, प्लूरल के लिए हम हैव यूज करेंगे, और आई के लिए भी हम हैव यूज करते हैं. क्लियर? एंड जब हमारा हमको पता चलता है कि हमारा जो सेंटेंस है वो क्या है, एज अ पास्ट टेंस में, तो हियर वी यूज एज अ हैड फॉर अ पास्ट टेंस. क्लियर? हमारा जो सेंटेंस अकॉर्डिंग टू पास्ट के अकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है, हमको अंडरस्टैंडेबल हो रहा है, तो हम यूज करेंगे हैड. Clear? Let's start the exercise number 3. We use as a has, have or had. Now let's start. Yes, fill in the blanks with has, have or had. First, we dash 3 dogs as pet. कोई हमको पता नहीं चल रहा कि ये कोई पास्ट में है, so this is simple. So we have, हमारे पास कितने हैं? 3 dogs. तो have आपको पता चल गया. किसके लिए यूज करते हैं has, have, had? हम possession के लिए. Clear? Now second sentence, Roshan dash a bicycle and he exercise every day. Every day से हमको पता चल रहा है क्या हमारा simple present में. So here we have to write as a has. Why we write has here? Because our subject, हमारा जो subject है Roshan as a singular है. So here we write has. Number third sentence, they dash loads of games in their house to play with. उसके पास किसके घर में बहुत सारे गेम हैं खेलने के लिए. Yes. So here we have to write as a have. Why? Because they is here as a plural. Clear? So you have to write have. Number fourth sentence, do you dash a pen to lend me, Pratik? Yes. Do you have? Yes, we have to write have. अब you है हमारा subject, तो after that we have to write have. Do you have a pen? Number 5th sentence, Rajni dash a new friend now. She is very happy. अभी present की बात चल रही है, तो here we have to write Rajni as a singular है, so here we have to write here as a have. Now next is money to bear. Next, a lot of books in their house to read. अब देखिए हमारा subject plural हो गए, one then more हो गया, so here we have to write as a have. Yes, students, so we have to write as a have. So student, I hope you have to clear this exercise. We have to use as a have with a plural subject. We use as a has with a singular subject. Clear that? Okay. Now move on the next exercise, exercise number 4. Yes, underline all the transitive verbs in the following sentences and then circle the objects of underlined verbs. आपको क्या करना है, आपको जितने भी ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब्स दे रखे हैं सेंटेंसेस में उनको अंडरलाइन करना है और सर्कल करना है उनके ऑब्जेक्ट्स को. क्लियर? सर्कल द ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑफ अंडरलाइन वर्ब्स. जो भी अंडरलाइन वर्ब्स है उसका जो ऑब्जेक्ट है उसको हमको क्या करना है, सर्कल करना है. देखिए, one is done for you. Number 1, my cat climbs tree and scratches furniture. तो climbs is here as a transitive verb, and transitive verb you know very well, transitive words requires an object. Object होता ही है transitive verb के साथ, तो object is here as a trees, and next is stretches is also a verb. So a verb is here and the furniture is here as the object of the verb stretches. Clear? So now let's start. Yes, second sentence, birds lay eggs in nest. So here you have to underline the verb first, lay. Clear? And egg is the as a egg क्या है बेटा यहाँ पे as a हमारा object है. Next one, yes. Anjali tasted the soup and liked it. Yes, the tasted is here. Here, yes, tasted is here as a verb, and object is here in the sentence. He tasted what? He tasted the soup. Soup is here as a object. Now, number 4 sentence. Carpenters make furniture, tailors make clothes. Okay, so carpenter makes. So make is here. Yes, make is here as a verb. And the next, tailors make clothes. So इधर भी make क्या हो गया बच्चों? Yes, and underline. Yes, verb is here. Yes. Now the first in here as a make. So next is here furniture. The furniture is here as an object. Furniture क्या बच्चों यहाँ पर as an object. And next one is here tailor make clothes. The clothes is here as an object. Now number 5th is here. My father washes the car and I dry it with the clothes. So washes is here as a verb and dry is here also a verb in the sentence. Now find out the object of this verb. Yes, the car. Car is here as object and dry it. It किसके लिए use है बच्चों? Car के लिए. Okay, so here we have it is here as an object also. Number 6 sentence. Yes, they buy all their books from this shop. So they buy. So you have to underline the buy. Now this is a verb. Now all their books. Books is here. Yes, object is here in this sentence. Books is here as an object. Buy क्या किया उन्होंने book. So they buy books. So this is a object. Now number 7 sentence, we ordered chicken for lunch. Yes. So okay, we have to firstly identify verb is here. Ordered. Yes. We ordered what? हमने क्या order किया? Yes, chicken. Chicken is here as an object. Clear student? Now number 8 sentence, the burglar opened the door with a duplicate key. So burglar opened. Open करना क्या है बच्चों यहाँ पे? As a verb. Okay, we have to underline the open and then the door. So you have to write, you have to circle the door. Door is here as an object. Now number 9, Jahir plays cricket every evening. So plays is here as a verb. Now find out the object. Yes, cricket. Plays what? Plays cricket. So this is our verb. Object, cricket. Number 10 sentence, the merchant gave the beggar a silver coin. Okay, so first find out the verb is here as a gave, is here as a verb. Okay, so now object is here, object is here. He gave the beggar. Beggar is also a object and coin is also a object here. Why? Because the merchant ने दिया, क्या दिया, किसको दिया? Merchant gave ने beggar को coin दिया, तो coin is here also a verb, also a object, and beggar is also a object. Clear student? So let's start the another exercise. Yes, this is a very important essay. This is related to a compliment. किससे related है ये? Compliment से. Look at the pictures and then read the following sentences. The old man is tired. Sita seems happy. Teacher became angry. Children look healthy. Now you notice the words tired, happy, angry, healthy. Yes, the verbs in these sentences do not make full meaning by themselves. जो भी words हमारे दे रखे हैं उसका जो meaning है वो क्या है? Complete नहीं है. So something is added to them to complete the sense. So हमको उसको complete करने के लिए कुछ words add करने पड़ते हैं. But what is added? इज नॉट द ऑब्जेक्ट, लेकिन जो हम ऐड करेंगे वो ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं होगा। अगर ऑब्जेक्ट हो जाएगा तो वो तो हमारी ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब बन जाएगी, तब इसमें वर्ब हमको ऑब्जेक्ट ऐड नहीं करना। सो देयरफॉर दीज वर्ब्स आर नॉट ट्रांजिटिव, तो ये वर्ब्स ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब नहीं है। सो इन दीज सेंटेंसेस सम वर्ड्स आर रिक्वायर्ड टू फॉर्म कंप्लीट प्रेडिकेट, सच वर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स। ये वर्ड्स क्या कहलाते हैं? हमारे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स। देखते हैं हम वापस एग्जांपल। यस यस, फर्स्ट सेंटेंस ओल्ड मैन इज टायर्ड, सो हम लिख सकते हैं ओल्ड मैन इज हैप्पी, ओल्ड मैन इज अनहैप्पी, ओल्ड मैन इज सैड। ओके, सो वी हैव टू कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस टू अंडरस्टैंडेबल। क्लियर? सो ओल्ड मैन इज टायर्ड, सो नॉट tired is not here as an object. We have to complete the sentence, we have to put we have to write a word to complete the sentence to understandable sentence. Clear? Now second sentence, Sita seems, this is an incomplete sentence. We have to write we have to add a word. Yes, a happy. So you notice this is tired, happy, angry, these are the adjectives. Okay, so Sita seems, Sita कैसे दिख रही है? Happy दिख रही है, unhappy दिख रही है, sad दिख रही है, कैसे दिख रही है? Angry दिख रही है। Yes, so we have to write a word to complete its sentence. तो Sita happy दिखती है, Sita sad दिखती है, तो we have to write some words, we have to write a words to add the sentence to complete its sense. Clear? So these are called complements. Okay, now a word required to form a complete predicate is called a complement to the verb. Clear, student? Now let's start the exercise. In the following sentences, underline the verbs and circle the complements. Also write whether the verb is transitive or intransitive. अब हमको underline करना है, देखते हैं कि verb transitive है या intransitive है। In the transitive verb होगी तो obviously object होगा, intransitive होगी तो object नहीं होगा। So let's start. Number second sentence, the baby sleeps. Sleeps is here. Yes, sleeps is here as a, you notice, as a verb. Verb क्या है यहाँ पर बच्चों? As a sleep. Sleep verb है, अंडरलाइन करना आपको वर्ब पे। नाउ देन यू हैव टू राइट एज अ, क्या है ये? इंट्रांजिटिव, तो आई राइट ओनली आई एम, दिस इज अ इंट्रांजिटिव। नंबर थर्ड सेंटेंस, ओके, हरी सीम्स टायर्ड, टायर्ड is here, you notice this is an incomplete sentence, so seems is here, seems क्या है यहाँ पे? as a verb, तो tired या क्या हो गया? हमने ऐड किया है, कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है। सेंटेंस अगर इनकम्प्लीट है, अगर हम tired यूज नहीं करते वर्ड, so this sentence is, yes, complement. Tired is here as a complement. Okay, and write complement for com. Number four, the old man is dead. Old man is dead. Is here as a verb. is क्या बच्चों यहाँ पे? as a verb है। so dead is here, आपको पता चल रहा है क्या है ये? the old man is dead. old man क्या है? ये है। so here we use as a intransitive word. this is a intransitive verb. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, द चाइल्ड अपीयर्स प्लीज। तो चाइल्ड क्या है? कैसे अपीयर कर रहा है? प्लीज, खुश दिखाई दे रहा है। तो वर्ब क्या है यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट? द अपीयर्स इज हियर एज अ, अंडरलाइन, वी हैव टू अंडरलाइन द अपीयर्स, एंड प्लीज इज हियर एज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट। प्लीज क्या है यहाँ पे? एज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट है। क्लियर? so we have to write here as a, in the box, as a compliment. Clear, student? Now next sentence is Meera was unhappy. Okay, so Meera is here as a subject, was unhappy. Unhappy is here, we have to write, underline the verb is here. Yes, so you have to underline was. Okay, unhappy, so देखिए unhappy क्या है? You have to circle the unhappy. This is a compliment. Unhappy क्या है? यहाँ पर compliment है. Okay, clear? Okay, clear, student? Yes, so you have to write as a unhappy, you have to write here, yes, as a compliment. Clear, students?